What is up, Math Superstars? So in this edition of Mr. Peterson Presents, we're going to take a look at Objective 6.5, and in that we're going to talk about perfect squares. And so here we have an exponent 2 to the power of 2. So we could say this as 2 squared, and you'll see why we call it 2 squared here in a second, but let's recap some key vocabulary words here. And so the number I underlined 2, this is called our base number. So this is the number that we're going to repeatedly multiply. And the little number 2 up here, this is our exponent. So this tells us how many times we're going to repeatedly multiply our base number. And so for right now, in the perfect squares, we're going to actually draw out 2 squared. And so in the perfect squares, you guessed it, we're going to draw a square here. So we're going to go 2 units down and 2 units across. And we're going to draw out our square here. And so when we do 2 squared is 2 times 2 in expanded form. That's going to equal 4. And so we can go ahead and count our blocks. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so we know something about the number 4. The number 4 is called a perfect square. And in the perfect squares, they are whole numbers when you multiply the whole number by itself. So just how we have 2 times 2, the product is going to give us a perfect square.